Jeep Grand Cherokee wheel spacers are devices that fit between the wheel and the hub of a vehicle, increasing the distance between the wheel and the hub assembly. They are also used to improve the appearance of a car, giving it a more aggressive stance and filling out the wheel trap. But they can also be used to accommodate large brake calipers by creating more room between the wheel and the brake components. Choosing the good Jeep Grand Cherokee wheel spacers carefully consideration of serious factors, including the wheel spacer size, the materials of the wheel spacers, and the hub century of the spacers. By taking these factors into consideration, you can choose the good Jeep Grand Cherokee wheel spacers and achieve the best effect. The first thing to consider is the size of the Jeep Grand Cherokee wheel spacers. The installation effect is determined by the size of the spacers you choose, as distances are different for every vehicle. Stock wheels and aftermarket wheels fitted, it is important to choose the right size for your car. Recommended you measure distance between the fenders and the tires. BONOSS offers a wider range of Jeep Grand Cherokee wheel spacer size, from 25mm to 50mm, and has customer service of unconventional thickness, 3mm to 160mm, or even thicker spots. BONOSS has an independent factory, so customized Jeep Grand Cherokee wheel spacers will be complete in 3 to 7 days at the fastest. In addition, BONOSS also offers OEM/ODM service. The second factor we need to consider is the material of the spacers. BONOSS Jeep Grand Cherokee wheel spacers are made of the high-security forged 606-1T6 and 007-T6 aluminum alloy. Both forged aluminum 606-1T6 and 007-T6 feature good hardness and toughness, excellent corrosion resistance, and wear-resistant characteristics. Even when facing impact, they are not easy to break. The continuous forging adds superior mechanical and physical properties created by heat and pressure. They are high strength for safety and security and very suitable for long-term applications. The third factor is hub-centric. Hub-centric spacers ensure that there is constant contact between the hub, spacer, and wheel. For a smooth and reliable ride, BONOSS Jeep Grand Cherokee wheel spacers are designed with better multi-stage hub-centric rings. The hub-centric metal ring is machined to be multi-layers, and the bevels fit the corresponding hub flange, eliminating any possible gaps. Besides, they are CNC machined with precision at 0.02mm tolerance. This improves the fit and functionality of spacers. Since spacers are components that contact other parts, you absolutely need tight tolerance. Based on traditional tire spacers, BONOSS Jeep Grand Cherokee wheel spacers come with more useful design, such as active cooling grills, learning surface, disassembly notches, and so on. These active cooling Jeep Grand Cherokee wheel spacers are designed to make brake cooling better. The heat dissipation grills behind the spacers boost the cooling efficiency, reducing brake thermal decay, and improving road safety. If you are considering installing Jeep Grand Cherokee wheel spacers, these factors can help you choose the most suitable ones for your car.
No AI was used in the creation of this video. All editing was done manually. See you in the next video.